Soft, cozy, chic, check, check, and check. Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and this leopard throw blanket by UKELER checks all the boxes. You are not going to believe just how soft this is until you get one for yourself. But heads up, you might need to get one for everyone in your house because you are all going to be fighting over it. This blanket is my new best friend when it comes to reading a good book, having a cat nap, or watching a movie. I bring it with me from room to room just so no one else in the family gets their hands on it. It is so soft and plush. It's also surprisingly lightweight, which makes it great if you love using a blanket even in the summer, which I do. I also love that it's bigger than just a lap blanket. It offers full coverage. This blanket is going to change your definition of cozy, so get yourself one or five. And that is my point of view.